Good morning, third standard. This is your science class. Mrs. Sheila here. Now I'm going to teach you a new lesson, work we do. Now in this lesson, it's a little big lesson, but nothing very hard about it. Just we can see how the first picture. Just see what is the first picture. Here in the first picture, you can see a post box, post office. And what do they do in the post office? They divide the letters according to the address. Post box, we post the letters. Here the sweeper, and there is the tea shop. The tea shop man, there is a small boy is working without going to school, and he is serving the tea. And you can see a flower lady selling flowers. Here is a mason who is working on the building. There under the tree, you can see a barber cutting hair for a person, and you can see a cobbler who's stitching or mending the shoes, and you can see a traffic police is regulating the traffic. That is the picture of your main picture of the lesson. Now we slowly will move on the next picture. They are showing the hospital. There the doctor and the nurse trying to move to the hospital. Here you can see teacher Jakubai. Her slipper is broke down, so she is running to the cobbler. Here you can see a flower vendor, fruit vendor, who is with a child, Chinnamma, is trying to help the father. Now look other days. Balbir reached the tea stall after his breakfast. See, usually people drink tea after breakfast, yes? They go to the tea stall, and Satpitar, who had come from the village, was also with him. See, both of them are friends or maybe a relative. See, there the shop man prepares the tea and give it to the boy, small boy, and the boy is serving the tea to the people. As they were giving, he gives the paper, that day's paper. Usually in the tea shops, they buy paper for the people who visits the tea shop. They will give them for reading. Near that you can see this is shopkeeper. Near that you can see a lady who sells the flowers. People are visiting to the tea shop as well as to the post office. They will buy the flowers. Oh no, one does not realize how the time flies. Look at the group of children. As usual, they are late for school. See, as usual, they are late for school. Here also in art school, I used to tell them, don't come late. See, you are tensed in the morning itself. So, see, they are trying to run to the school. You can see the teacher, a slipper broken, she is running to the cobbler. And her name is Jakubai. It is good for him. He will go get money because it's nice. See, go to the person and get pay some money and get the work done. There he is a cobbler, a person who mend the shoes. We call them as a cobbler. Next picture, it shows about the tea shop. Champa is sitting there with a basket full of flowers. I spoke to you about the flower lady. Her name is Champa. She sees people come to the post office and the tea shop. They'll buy flowers and go. That's why she's sitting there and trying to do her work. The next is see the boy is continuously serving tea. And you can see a sweeper, a lady with a big broom, and she's cleaning that area. Now the construction people, you can see they are standing on the first floor. You can see some truck is on the way on the road carrying materials for the building, maybe the bricks or the iron rods or the sand or something like that. We call these people are construction workers or masons. Here is they are showing the picture of a hospital because the red sign is there, cross sign. You can see a nurse with the white coat on it, and you can see a doctor, and both of them are running to the hospital. There you can see a fruit vendor with her daughter. She is trying to give out the fruit. Nanu, the barber, has laid out of this shop, but whom will he shave? Right the middle of the crossing, the ends, Iqbal Singh. See, he cannot, he is waiting for someone. There one person, Iqbal Singh, comes and trying to shave someone. Here is a traffic police who whistle and stop the traffic and regulate the traffic, whether they go to right or left or whatever way they have to turn or whatever they have to do, he shows with the hand. He says traffic police. The barber trims out the hair. That's what he is doing it under the tree. Look carefully at the picture and write what works being done by different people. See, different people do different type of work. Yes or no? According to the work, we take their services. We should not underestimate or overestimate, or you can't say he is so respected and he is not respected. Everyone are equal on their own ways. Suppose sweeper is not cleaned the place, the whole area will be dirty. See here, there are some jobs is given. Shopkeeper sells different things to do. Teacher teaches the children. Cobbler mends our shoes. Sweeper sweeps away the dirt from the road. Postman brings letter for us. Mason, person who builds the buildings. Doctor and nurse treat the patients and look after them. Barber, a person who trims or cut our hair. These people, there is no up or down, all are same. Okay, what kind of work do people in your neighborhood do? Name any 5. See, you can change the answer if you want. See, these answers are given by the bookseller or by me. See, your neighborhood, how it is. See, teaches the children like you. Teacher. Carpenter with woodwork. Sell things to shop, shopkeeper. Builds home, a building, mason. Sells fruit, fruit seller. See here, you can write anything you can write. Vegetable seller, vegetables who sells vegetable seller. Build mason, instead of that you can write a person who treats a sick patient, a doctor. See, you can write whatever you like it. Now here the buildings are circled with red and the places near your house are green. See, this is done by the book, and they have given the post office, hospital, school, shop. We have everything in our area. You can circle it. The green thing, like church is there, hotel is there, petrol pump is there, mosque I have a doubt, temple is there. We don't have a college nearby, but mosque is there in junction. Bus stand we have, bank we have, Gurudwara we don't have. Okay, what you don't have, don't put green there. Just leave it like that. Okay, if it is there, just. Now they are showing the buildings. The post office. Our post office is not so big, but the post office, the big post office they are showing. There is some petrol bunk and some mosque. All that buildings they are showing here, how they look like. This looks like a bus stand and maybe shops. There are so many small shops. This is a theater. This is a petrol bank, and they fill petrol. The vehicles, they'll come here and fill petrol. This is a mosque. People are going. This is a church. They'll go and pray there. And this is a hotel. They go and eat or they stay there. That's why there are so many rooms are there. And this is a police station. People do something wrong, they may be taken there and they will be treated. Treated means they will be given punishment. This is a railway station. People are waiting for their train. There are people working in the trains also. This is a temple. People are working. They go for praying. And this is a airport. And this is a big building on office. Maybe a big office. And this is a bus stand. This is a main bus stop. From here, there is many buses may run to different places. And this is a bank. They will give a deposit money or take money. Depends on how they do. This is a mosque and this is a politician. It's a court. Okay. Okay. Name of the building. Work done. Hospital. They treat people. School building. Vaccination means, see, if you should not get some diseases, they will give an injection. That is called vaccination. Without getting that diseases, we are waiting for COVID-19 vaccination. That's why you don't have a school now. School building, children go to study. Bank, deposit or take away money. Post office, they'll send letter or receive letters. Hotel, they'll go for eating or for staying. Court, they will go for justice or arguments, or they'll do like a lot of arguments, and they will good or bad, or who is right and who is wrong, all that they will argue, but last they will give the judgment. Now in this picture, saw many people and together build a new building. School is also one of that, when many people work. Right, what work do in the school? See, you yourself can start saying, we study, we play, we do. What else we'll do? We'll write, and we learn a lot of exercises. We do morning assembly. Children study here. Office staff do their office work. Children play and together in the lunchtime. Teachers teach here morning assembly and prayers every day. Apart from this, we have cultural activities, exercise activities, guide activities, NCC activities. We have so much we do here. Are there any children in the picture who's not going to school? What are they doing? Yes, they were helping the parents. One boy was working in the tea shop. Another Chinnamma was helping the father to give away the fruits. And next, the barber's children were sitting under the tree. And these children, yes, see, you could see all that. These people have not gone to school. It is because they have to help the parents for food, because the parents are poor. Now there is a right of the children to free and compulsory education. See, all the government schools, it's a free education. It is compulsory. That is why, see, government schools, they will take money. They will provide them food also, midday meal scheme, and they are giving everything free, because no child sit at home or no child to go for work. They should come to school even without food also, no issues. They are providing with the egg food. Okay. Now Dipali, a child who has not gone to school because her father is working in a having a small vegetable shop, and he has to go to Mandi. Mandi is a wholesale shop where he will buy the vegetables and cleaned by the mother. By the time Diwali will do the cooking work and feed the younger brothers and sisters and send them to school. So some may be very small and send them to the father. Like that, the child, she is also a small child. She studied up to 3rd standard. So after some time, she takes the 3rd standard book of the younger brothers or sisters, and lie down, try to read what she can manage to read. See, poor Dipali, if the parents are rich, if the parents can manage the family, she would have gone to school. That is what they are trying to tell you in this story. What are the work Dipali do at home? She does a lot of work, almost like a mother. She does every work. She takes care of the cooking and cleaning the utensils and taking the children to school and leaving the children with the parents, and again comes back, cook for the next meal, and takes care of the whole house, and bring back the kids from the school. Kids means her own brothers and sisters. This is all done by Dipali when she is small itself. See, though so much responsibility is taken by the small child. So we also must think how much responsibility we have taken at home. Try to help your parents. See, I am not asking you to be like a Dipali. Dipali never went to school. But you can come to school, but you can do small help to your parents. See what all Dipali is doing here. Cooks the food, cleans the house, washes utensils. After work goes to leave her small brother to her father, take her younger sisters to school. In the evening, bring back her brothers, 2 sisters back to home, helps her mother to cook dinner. This much work she is doing. I imagine, are we doing that much work? Do you also household work? Yes, here. See, your own answer I want. What answer is here? Please don't copy. That's why I'm not going to read this. Your own answer. What work you are helping? Besides household work, do you do any other work at home? I don't think anything you do. But if you are all you are doing, please do it and write it here. Now, this is a clock. Already you have learnt the timings in maths classes. Now here the big hand shows the minutes, the small hand shows the hour. Now this timings may be differ for everyone. Please write the correct timings. See, going to school will be correct for everybody. Return from school will be correct for everybody. Sleeping, playing, sit down to study, wake up, all that, each one will be different. You draw the diagram and write your draw the hand according to your timings. Now the family members, I will not be knowing what is given. Don't write, it's somebody's family. Write your own family, what they are doing, what are the work they are doing. Please write it. This also I am not going to read. It is because your own family you have to write. See here children, try to write on your own. It is because it's nice. After some time you will be very, very good in English if you are going to write like this. Which of your family members work to earn money? Mostly father and mother. They work for money and they bring the money and they will give us everything whatever we like it, whatever we want, any sophistication, anything to eat, they will provide. That's what they earn. Okay, now find out from your grandparents how they work and see, really olden days all the girl children will be asked to work in their childhood itself. They train them to work at home. They start cooking by the age of 9 or 10. Okay, mother in cooking, they start helping first and slowly started then washing. Those days no washing machine. Then cow dung cakes. Usually those days most of them were farmers. They will have cows and buffaloes at home. They will not waste the cow dung. They make a cow dung cakes. See how the lady is making the round one. They use it as a fuel. Sarama asked her grandmother, and Nanny replied, when I was a child. This is one of the child's grandmother. Puffed rice. What is puffed rice? Nothing else. It's a pori. They will prepare for a snatch. If there any change, you had written about, yes, a lot of changes. There was those days no gadgets sense, no TV, no grinder, no mixer, mixie. See, all this is done by the ladies at home. Children get more time to study and less work to do nowadays. Many women go to office. Those days, no, none of them go to office because the farmer's wife will be helping the farmer. That's all. Life has become easier nowadays because of the electrical appliances. Those days only kerosene light. But there were people who were very intelligent. Housemaids. See, we have servants at home, but never call them as servant. There also it is a main work. If suppose she is not coming one day, it is going to be a mess of the whole thing. See that you respect her and call her in such a way that she without hurting her. Don't throw clothes or don't make her do the work. Come and take this. Don't demand. Don't command. Try to talk to them in a very nice soft voice. Here there are two children. Never gone to school. You see nearby your house, if there and somebody is there, just tell them, because one Chotu doesn't have parents. For Raghu, it is a big family. That is why they are working in the shops or any other places for getting money. This is the way the life of the people. This is the work, different types of work. I'll be giving some charts for you, the different types of work with the names, and you can see them. And this week, I'll be giving next week, you can draw the clocks, all the clocks, and you have to draw all the clocks and write your timings. And now that is in page number, the homework, the page number 84. Draw all the clocks, draw the hand. Okay, draw the hand. Now this week, no workbook. Test I will be giving a little later because you have lot to write here. Please complete it. Stay safe. Thank you.